So I finally did it. I pulled the trigger on an actual MacBook Pro 14-inch. Now we got 16 gigs of RAM instead of 8. So here we go. Feels like Christmas. Ugh, so awesome. Nice. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Our instructions. We're gonna power on real fast because we got this guy right here. And we got our MacBook Pro 14-inch, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte of space for storage. And yeah, I'll probably do a review on this real soon. And let you guys know how it deals with 4K and 8K as we continue to encourage and inspire through media, video, and we are Christians, so preaching the gospel.